Well, Michi, what's going on? Okay, you guys need to explain something to me. Simple things. Simple things like a sneeze. Why do we do it different than everybody else? You ask yourself, what's he talking about? Like when, I don't know, when you hear a munja cake sneeze, it's like this. Oh, jeez. Wow.
Bless you!
Thank you. Oh, yeah. Woo. Oh, my goodness.
Kazoo, guys!
Thank you. Now, do you fucking ever hear a European parent sneeze? What the fuck?
La pace di tomato, mamma mia, disgraziato. La pace di tesoro, disgraziato. Sangue, disgraziato, mica. Schiena disgraziata, o congiungi male, mamma mia, mamma mia. Tutto bene, minisci, mica.
Bless you!
Thank you very much. How you hear me? Holy shit.
Am I losing my mind? Am I losing my mind? Is it just me that hears these European parents, like when they sneeze, hanno bastemmiare, they got a bastemia each and every single time? Is it part of our thing where we got a bastemia every single time? Okay, so I gotta know. Please, comment below. Is there somebody in your family who sneezes like a truck or like a train and needs like, everybody to know that they just finished sneezing? They can't. Why do I do these videos? They give me a agito. Come here. Focus. Focus on me. Focus. Please, comment below. I can't be the only one. I cannot be the only one that has this person in my family.